Hello, I will draw a nigger, and it's my tool. Yeah, let's start. Alamha la hamama la makatiuma. This is second B pencil from Faber-Castell. Yeah, because Faber-Castell is more soft than other brand. I think maybe maybe yes. Blend use paper stamp, and then set it again to get a better hammer. This is my not human language. Yeah. Do you hear me? There's a near. Yeah. If you have no paper stamp, you can use facial tissue for blend your setting. And yeah, this 4B. 4B pencil. 4B pencil. Alamaha. Makatiuma. Charcoal pencil. This is medium, and using brush, and yeah, this is 8B graphite pencil. You can blend, but careful if you will use charcoal pencil because it will make your paper so dirty. By the way, I use world signing paper, sinar dunia. Yeah, the brand is from my country. It's not bad, by the way, but not enough good. This paper actually so small, but it's not strong. Why you watch my nail? You should watch this drawing, not my nails. Do you know? Yeah. Charcoal pencil again. This pen is expression with less expression. Charcoal medium. If charcoal, you should blend, use brush first. If you langsung gawe paper stamp, it's not good. Not good. Not good. Good. Oh, I'm so sleepy now. Alamak. Mr. Ant-Man. FB. Layering charcoal. This charcoal, yeah. If you're not sure, you can use second beam first. But better charcoal first from the black hole top or black hole, and you can looks good. Use 80 and blend and blend. Naturally, you should have many papers. Oh, Mr. Ans man. You should have many paper stamp because you should plan. Second be another like charcoal is not same paper stamp. Don't use both. Use one paper stamp because you will go. You will down. Whoa, Anaya, do you hear me? Anaya, do you hear me? Setting bottom, setting bottom like this. Use 4B and then make 3D and the bling yoga dari school gerah and this pakaka and you can blend you skip it papa and yeah and I will get puputur boom. And yes, Kia. And then tutukunguntuntum, yeah, yoga. Oh, sorry, I made mistake. It's okay. This is also pen. Yeah. Monitor and clean your brush and finish. Yeah. No, yeah. and ta-da! Yeah,